Welcome everybody to Big 5 Electronics. I'm here to introduce you to the Stinger ELEV8 8-inch floating multimedia head unit. This piece is a full 8-inch floating style modular application that has a 1024 by 600 HD capacitive touchscreen with 16.7 million color display. That makes it the most vibrant color display on the market for any head unit. This piece has built-in Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM ready. It's got a 4-volt 6-channel output, along with an HDMI input, as well as 2 rear USB inputs as well. It's got obviously the Bluetooth, and it's got 4 camera inputs, as well as a mic audio input for your rear camera. This piece also has an optional navigation, and I'm going to introduce you to what the modular application means and is. So as you notice, that modular application is for vehicles that have very limited space behind the dash, where you cannot install a traditional elongated DVD head unit, or even sometimes even mechless head units, which are about this deep. So this piece gives you literally no depth, and it's just a face. You've got the mounting plate where the face sits on top of. And then you've got the control unit here that gives you all your inputs. The wires are all actually in the box, which I'm not really going to go through. It's got the input for your SD card for the navigation, for the iGo navigation. And this piece mounts anywhere that you would like, detached from the actual main screen. The features are fairly common. As you see, with most units, you've got your Apple CarPlay, you've got radio, Sirius XM, Android Auto, iPod, and you can notice that the screen display is very, very vibrant and very clean, very fluid to the touch, very much like a factory look. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit like, share it with your friends, and join us next time. Thank you.